Social development Meknan Landla Koza was left shocked and hurt after 2 children were burned to death on Friday, 10 December. The KZN Mek was reacting to news that Melakal, 5, and Lalolwinkosi Medea, 7, had tragically died after a fire broke out in an old car in their yard in Kabeni village in Harding, southern KZN. It's still unclear what caused the fire. The children could not be rescued from the flames as the car doors would not open. Koza said, "We are with the bereaved family during this difficult time. It's heartbreaking to learn how these children died. They were unable to escape from the blaze. Koza immediately sent a team of social workers to give psychosocial support and other assistance to the family. Our social workers will render ongoing trauma and bereavement counseling to the family. Our team will also provide social relief to assist the family during this tough time," she said. Koza said it was important for families to make sure children were supervised by adults while they played. "We have seen a number of vulnerable children die so horribly in this province. We want to plead with our communities to ensure that they don't keep these old vehicles in their yards to avoid these recurring incidents," she said. Koza said the police were investigating the cause of the fire. "We hope the police will be able to shed light on what caused the fire that claimed the lives of these innocent children. This is a very painful incident to deal with, and we will do whatever we can to ensure the family and those affected find closure," she said.